It's testing day. I'd like to share with you 3 things that you should do on testing day, the day you've been working for, the day that's finally here. Hi, my name is Jennifer Stubblefield, and I'm the trainer on staff here at Certiport. And I also taught for 22 years in a computer classroom with certifications in Kentucky. And my job is to work with teachers and help you in the classroom. I'd like to share with you 3 tips that I have on how to make your testing day more successful. Tip number 1, restart the computers. As soon as you get there that day, restart the machines. We all know about the dreaded updates. They're going to happen. Inevitably, the day you're going to test is the day they're going to send everything down the pipe, right? So step number 1, restart the computers as soon as you get there that day. Step number 2, your IT staff. Have you checked in with them? Have you made sure that at least one of them is going to be in the building that day? I learned really quickly in my world of teaching certifications that if you feed them, they will come. I learned to take care of my IT staff, and therefore they made sure and they took care of me. I cannot stress enough the importance of making sure that you know an IT staff member is near, in the building, ready to help you should problems arise. And step number 3, a soapbox moment of mine. I'm that student who had to have it quiet for me to think. I'm that student when there were things going on around, I was going to look at what was going on around. I couldn't concentrate. The thing I want you to remember about step number 3 is environment. Control your testing environment. Have you ever thought about, are there side conversations going on? Are there things happening at your door that the kids could hear while students are trying to test? I was lucky enough to have the backing of my principal, and on testing day, they basically shut down the wing. Kids knew not to knock on my door. He didn't come on the announcements and say, "Happy birthday to," none of that happened. On testing day, I took my environment just as seriously as the students were used to when they had the ACT or the SAT. I checked IDs, I collected phones, I did whatever I had to do to let them know that the integrity level in this classroom today is high because the test you're taking is that important. Make sure you check your environment. Is it test savvy? Is it savvy enough for all those students who are easily distracted? Check your environment and it will lead to success. So to recap, 3 things that you should consider doing on test day. Number 1, restart the computers. Number 2, check in with the IT staff. And number 3, check your environment. If you'll put all those things into play on testing day, your success rates will already be better. For more information, or if you have questions about these techniques, shoot me an email. I'm available anytime for our customers.